Hi folks, Scientist Andrew with the Kentucky Science Center here for another Do Science at Home moment. Do you love slime? Sure, we all do. We're going to teach you how to make slime using white school glue. So there are a bunch of different recipes online. I imagine you probably don't have a lot of polyvinyl alcohol around the house, so start with a base of white school glue. It's real sticky, not the kind of stuff you want to stick your hands in right away. Glue is a polymer. There's a bunch, these long molecule chains, all sort of squiggled together. We are going to cross-link those polymers to firm it up and create a slime. And the cross-linker we are going to use is a substance called borax. We take this borax, you can find it at the grocery store in the laundry section of the grocery store, and you can make a solution by adding 1 teaspoon of this white powder to 1 cup of water. We've got this sort of stirred into solution right here. I am going to add our food coloring, like so many of our mixtures and substances that we make. You can add food color at almost any step. I'm going to add some food color to the borax solution, get that nice deep purple going on, and we are going to take this, like I said, add it to this. You want about a 5-to-1 ratio. I've got a small bowl here, but of course this scales up to any size you want to make, so any batch of slime you want to make. I'm going to go about a 5-to-1 ratio to start, so we're going to add the borax to the glue and see if we can't get that to start to firm up, and yep, right away, sort of the color's kind of staying a little separate. It's hard to have the color sort of sink into the glue well, but you can see it's already starting to firm up and get a little tacky. Kind of basically we're creating gack by using the borax solution and the white glue. If you find that it starts to, you work it with your hands and it's got kind of a, oh, that's got quite the color to it. But as you find it gets real sticky, or if it starts to sort of feel more like glue on your hands, just drop it back in the solution or add a little bit more of the borax to firm it up and cross-link those polymers, and you can get tackier and gackier, and a lot of different variables to play with and experiment with. So let us know how it goes. And that's slime with the Kentucky Science Center.